Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Bumble. Open your profile, then tap Settings to change location. First, make sure your device's GPS is on and Bumble has location permission. Without that, Bumble cannot update your position. Once permissions are set, look for the Location, Travel, or Beeline section inside Settings. You'll see current city and any active modes. Now you're ready to choose between live GPS updates or Bumble's travel feature. Both require these basic permissions, so the app can place you correctly. Next, decide whether to edit your live GPS location or use Bumble's travel feature. Travel lets you pick a city for a limited time, tap Travel, search a city name, or drop a pin on the map for accuracy, then confirm. If you prefer editing your profile's visible city, choose Edit Location and type the city name. Bumble will align that with permitted GPS data. Make sure to read the duration. Travel sessions expire, so plan when you want matches to see that new place. Finalize by saving settings, then close and reopen Bumble so the match queue refreshes with your new location. If you don't see the change, toggle device location off and on, then re-grant Bumble permission. This forces a fresh GPS read. Make sure airplane mode is off and that you're not using a VPN that masks location. If problems persist, update or reinstall the app. And as a last resort, restart your device. These steps clear caches and often resolve stubborn location issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.